The simple future tense expresses what will or shall happen. It is used to talk about future plans, intentions, or events. Here is how we form the simple future stem. With regular
IA,
and
IA,
verbs, we keep the infinitive
jouer, choisir,
with regular
AI,
verbs, we drop the last
I,
from the infinitive.
vendre.
We then add the following endings, which are similar to the endings of the verb
Avoir,
in the present tense.
avoir, j'ai, tu as, il, elle, on a, nous avons, vous avez, ils, elles ont.
Simple future endings.
AI, ES, est, ONS, IZ, ONT. Example, chanter, je chanterai, tu chanteras, il, elle, on chantera, nous chanterons, vous chanterez, ils, elles chanteront. Finir, je finirai, tu finiras, il, elle, on finira, nous finirons, vous finirez, ils, elles finiront. Vendre, je vendrai, tu vendras, il, elle, on vendra, nous vendrons, vous vendrez, ils, elles vendront.
There are also some irregular verbs in the simple future tense. Their stem, the part before the endings, is completely different from the regular verbs. However, the endings are always the same. Here are some of the most common ones.
Être, je serai, avoir, j'aurai, aller, j'irai, faire, je ferai, voir, je verrai, venir, revenir, je viendrai, je reviendrai, devenir, je deviendrai, pouvoir, je pourrai, savoir, je saurai, pleuvoir, il pleuvra.
The simple future tense is often used in French after the following words.
Quand, lorsque, lorsqu'il ne pleuvra plus, je sortirai. Pendant que, pendant qu'elle fera ses devoirs, je lirai. Aussitôt que, dès que, aussitôt que le train arrivera, nous te téléphonerons.
It is also used in the present tense in a
Si clause.
In this case, it suggests what we plan to do, depending on something else happening. This is how we structure the sentence. Si plus, present tense, plus simple future tense.
Si j'ai le temps, je rangerai ma chambre.